to another amazing video on Uncle Sam Excellent Tutorial Center on YouTube. Here you're going to learn a lot, and today we are going to be looking at solving some questions, some past questions, Junior WAEC, Senior WAEC, Junior NECO, and all that. So stay tuned as you enjoy. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Click on the subscription button. Send us your comment. Like our videos. Send us your comment, tell us how you feel about this video, and you'll get your answers to every question you have asked. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the subscription button, subscribe, click on the notification bell so that you will never miss another video. Don't forget subscribe. Go ahead, click on the subscription button, do the subscription. Subscription is free. Just click on the subscription. Before you know it, you'll be subscribed and you'll never miss any of our amazing videos. Sit tuned as you enjoy. Okay, welcome again to another video. Now, in our last class, we stopped at number 38, so we'll continue from there. Now, number 39 says we are still dealing with 2013 WAEC question, Junior WAEC questions. Convert 24,000 meters to kilometers. 24,000 meters to kilometers. That's M. That's M you're seeing here is that M you're seeing here, the small m you're seeing here is meters. So convert this to kilometers. So for us to convert that to kilometers is very simple. Very simple. That is one of the simplest question we have seen here so far. One of the simplest question. So number 39. So number 39, we go right away to solve that. Convert 24,000 meter to kilometer. So remember that 1 kilometer is equals to 1,000 meters. So that means 24,000 meters will be equals to 24,000. We just simply divide. Remember, when you're changing from small unit to the big unit, you have to divide. If you're changing from the big unit to the small unit, you have to multiply. So we are changing from meter, which is smaller than kilometer, we're changing to meters, changing to kilometers, so we have to divide. Assuming we're changing from kilometers to meter, we have to multiply by 1,000. So since we are changing from meters to kilometers, we have to divide. So we divide by 1,000. So when we divide by 1,000, this will divide this will cancel this, or this we cancel this. So we are left with 24 divided by 1, which is 24. So we have 24. Remember, we're taking it to kilometers, so that is in kilometer. That is our answer. You can see we use just a few minutes to solve that. So that is our answer, 24. So 24, which is A. I'm actually taking my time to do this slowly so that you actually understand what we are doing. Now, the next question, number 40. Number 40 says calculate the distance BD. The distance BD in the figure below. Calculate the distance BD in the figure below. Now take note of this thing. This bar they put here, this kind of arrows here, is an information they are giving to you. These are parallel lines. Remember, parallel lines can never meet each other. They could be horizontal, they could be vertical, they will never meet each other. Now, telling you that they are parallel lines means these two shapes, this triangle and this trapezoid here, a triangle and a trapezoid, two of them are similar shapes. So since they are similar shapes, we just solve them using similarity. Now, if we just use a common similarity here, that this over this is equals to this over this. So if we call here, let's call it maybe x. Or if you like, we can let's just leave it the way it is. So if we call that place x, or we just leave it. Okay, if we say let BD, that is line BD, be equals to x. So if we call that place x, if we call here x, that means we can actually do that. Since they are similar shape, we simply say 8/4. If we call this line bx from here, from B to D, call it x. We call this line BD x. So we can now say that 8/4. So since they are similar shape, 8/4 is equals to, the next one we have x/3. That is the simplest way to attack that question. x over 3. Now when you are done with that, you can see we have brought out a mathematical expression. So you cross multiply this time this and this time this. So 8 times 3 and 4 times x, that is cross multiply. So x times 4, we have 4x equals to 8 times 3, we have 24. 8 times 3, we have 24. So we divide both sides by 4, divide here by 4. By the time you take care of that, find out that this is x, that is 4 divided by 4, you have that is taken care of. Then 24 divided by 4, we have 6. So our answer is 6. Remember, it's in centimeters, so 6 centimeters. That's our answer, 6 centimeters. And the correct answer there is B. The correct answer is B. Now, question number 40. Question number 40. Question number 40 says, okay, sorry, that was this was question number 40. We just finished solving. Question number 40, which was that shape. So now question number 41. Question number 41 rather. So we just finished solving question number 40. So question number 41. Question number 41. This is 41. Number 41. So question number 41 says the length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. If the perimeter is 36 centimeters, calculate the width. The length of a rectangle is 3 times the width. If the perimeter is 36 centimeters, calculate the width. Now we have been informed that the length of a rectangle is 3 times its width. Of course, you know that a rectangle will have the length and the width. So if you want to make a sketch, if you like, you can make a sketch, but it's not compulsory that you make a sketch. But I just want to, for illustration, I just want to make a sketch of a rectangle. So this is a rectangle. Now, if we say that the width, let's just call the width. Let's say the width is W. The width is W, and we are told that the length is 3 times the width. So the length now will be 3 times the width. So which is 3W. 3 times the width, that is 3 times W. So we have gotten this. Now the next question says if the perimeter is 36 centimeters. Remember that the perimeter of a rectangle is just the distance around the rectangle. So if here is 3 centimeters, here is also 3 centimeters. If here is if here is 3W, here is also 3W, and if here is W, here is also, if this side is W, here is also W. You know they are the same width. So the perimeter of any shape is just the distance around that shape, be it a rectangle, be it a triangle, be it a whatever shape that you may have, even a kite and whatever. So whatever shape you have, it's just the distance around that shape. So the perimeter of this shape now, perimeter of this particular rectangle will be equals to, we just take them together, 3W plus 3W plus W plus W. Now the perimeter is given to us. If you look at the equation, the perimeter is given to us to be 36. So we put in that. We put in 36 for the perimeter is equal. So now we solve this. These are the same figures. They are the same letter. So we just go ahead. So 3W plus 3W, that will give us 6W. 6W plus 6W plus 1. 6W plus 1W, we have 7W. Plus 1 again, we have 8W altogether. So we have 8W. So for us to get our W, we divide both sides by 8. Divide here by 8. This will cancel this, so we are left with this. Now 8, you can see that, check out the option. The options are given in decimal. They are given in decimal, so we are going to leave our answer in decimal. So let's go to our long division and do that. So we can now say that whatever we get, we'll bring it to that point. So you take your rough. Okay, I have my rough here. Remember, I asked you to get a rough. So we have a rough. So we have 36 divided by 8. Now 8 will go into 36. Oh, we can use a long division, yes. So we have 36 here. Inside the long division, we have 8. Though there's a shortcut to actually do this, which I will show you maybe in another question. So 8 will go into 36. 8 times 4 will give us 36. 8 times 4 will give us a number close to 36. So 8 times 4 is 32. So by the time we subtract that, if we subtract this, we have 4. Because 36 minus 32, we have 4. Now 8 cannot go into 4, so we put in a point here, decimal point. Because we have attached a decimal point here, we have to put a 0 here. We have to add 0 to this. So 8 we go into 45 times, because 5 times 8 will give us 5 times 8 will give us 40. So that if you say 40 minus 40, we have 0. So our answer is 4.5. Answer is 4.5. So we can say that 36 divided by 8 is 4.5, which is equals to our W. So the width. So the width we are asked to find is this. So that is our width. So we can now say, therefore, our width W is equals to 4.5. Is given in centimeter, so centimeter. So you can see, if you look at it, your answer is B, which is B. So let me indicate it here. Your answer is B, 4.5. Now let's go to the next question. Let me divide this. You know, we just have to divide this so that we'll be able to take more questions on one page. So if you divide that, the next question says we should look at this. Question number 42. Question number 42. Say a battery has enough energy to operate 8 toys for 21 hours. For how long could the battery operate 15 toys cars? A battery has enough energy to operate 8 toy cars for 21 hours. For how long could the battery operate 15 toys cars? How long is going to take? Now this question is actually a proportion question as well. So we have to know how long it will take this battery to operate 1 car. So if these energies, how long it will take this energy, this energy to operate, this battery energy to operate just 1 car, then that will give us an idea of how we are going to take care of 15 toy cars. So for 1 toy car, so we go on. For 1 toy car, it will be equals to, for 1 toy car, it will be equals to, remember we should say 8 times 21. So 8 times 21. Now 8 times 21, we can actually do that. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So we have 168, and it's given in hours, so 168 hours. So this same battery can charge 1 toy for 100, can operate 1 toy. This same battery can operate 1 toy for 168 hours. 168 hours. Now, how long could the battery operate 15 toys, which we are asked to calculate? Now, for 15 toys, cars is equals to, we just divide this by 15. So 168 hours divided by 15. Now here again, we have to use this again to divide this. Now we just have to reduce it first. When we reduce it, we'll be able to divide that. So let's go to our rough. We have 168 divided by 15. So let's divide that. I want to show you how we get this step by step. Remember, it's a tutorial. I'm explaining everything so that you get it right. So if we can actually use 3 to divide this. So 3 can divide 15 5 times. 3 can go into 16. 3 can actually divide 16. We have 5. There will be a remainder of 1 because 3 times 5 is 15. So it will remain just 1 to make it 16. So that one, we push it over to the next number. So you push it over to the next number, we have 18. So 3 will go into 18. We have 6. So we are making progress. So we now have 56 over 5. So we can use long division and take care of that. So if we use our long division, we take 56 inside. 56 goes inside. So we have our 5 outside. Now 5 will go into 56. How many times? Of course, it will be 11. Because 11 times 5 will give us 55. Now by the time you take a subtraction, 56 minus 55, you have 1. So you put a decimal point here because 5 cannot go into 1. So put a decimal point here. And of course, by the reason of that, you put a 0 here. So 5 going into this 10, you have 2. So our answer become 11.2 using long division. Long division is actually very simple. It's very, very simple. Long division is very simple. Don't run away from it. Just know how to play with it, which you did in your primary classes. So you have 11.2 hours. 11.2 hours. Now, if you check your answer, you find out that from your answer you have that particular option to be option B. Next question, question number 43. Question number 43 is actually from change of subject formula. So you have P to be equals to X plus Z all over D. X plus Z all over D. Now the question says make S subject of the expression. Make S subject of expression. Just make S subject of formula. That is just what the question is saying. So let's go ahead and do that. First, we cross multiply this over 1. Like I always tell you, make an imaginary over 1. That will give you a good mental image. So since we are going to make S subject of formula, let me start with X first. The one that have X. So X plus Z. Remember, is like a bracket. So it's going to come together. So X plus Z times 1 will give us, it will still give us X plus Z. P times D, we have PD. Whichever way you want to call it, PD or DP. Remember, this multiplication, so they are commutative. So PD. Now we have our Z here. So we can, for us to just separate Z from X, remember is added by, they are joined together by addition. So we just move it to the other side. So we have our X to be equals to PD. You know, this moving to this side, remember it's a positive. It moves to this side, you have a negative. Just solve it the way you're dealing with normal numbers. That is just the secret about change of subject form. Just deal with it as if you're solving normal equation. Then you will get it right. So you have this. So this is our answer. Now if you check your option, you see that the answer to that question is B. The answer to that question is B. Because X is equal to PD minus Z. And that is what we have. PD minus Z. So this is where we stop for this particular video. That was an interesting video. We learned a lot on Uncle Sam tutorials. We're able to solve so many equations. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and click on the subscription button like you're seeing. Click on the subscription button. It's just beneath the video. Click the subscription button. And don't forget, subscribe. Invite your friends. Invite them to subscribe. Subscribe yourself. Please subscribe our channel so that you get interesting videos. Don't forget, subscribe to our channels, and as soon as you subscribe, you see that you will never miss any of our videos. So subscribe to my channel and never miss a new video. New videos will be posted, so your comments are welcome. Please send your comments to me. Check on the comment bar below. Make your comments. Tell me what you feel about the video and questions you need us to solve, and we'll quickly solve that for you. Bye for now.